Hi everyone, this is Appliance Fix Lab, your local appliance repair team here in Winnipeg. Today's quick lesson comes from the Whyte Ridge area. We're looking at a Samsung electric dryer model DV42H5000EW that's completely stuck on one cycle and won't start. When I press the power button, the display lights up, but the selector knob doesn't move between modes, and the start button doesn't respond. Turning the dryer off and back on doesn't help, everything stays frozen. Then I notice something important, a red lock icon on the display. That's the clue. This Samsung dryer has a built-in child lock function designed to prevent accidental operation. On this dryer, the control lock is toggled using the temp and time buttons. I press and hold both buttons together for about 5 seconds. The dryer beeps and the red lock indicator disappears. Now I rotate the selector knob again. It moves smoothly through all programs. I press start and the dryer begins its normal cycle. Problem solved. In this case, the issue wasn't a fault, just an activated child lock feature. Always check for the lock symbol before assuming an electrical or control board problem. Quick, safe and simple, and your dryer is ready to go again. This educational video is part of our appliance repair and diagnostic course, filmed right here in Winnipeg. Appliance Fix Lab, real case, real diagnostics, real learning.